Hello, thank you for purchasing our AD01 voice recorder. In the package, you'll find the linear cord, Type-C OTG adapter, USB Type-C cable, and the earphone, and our voice recorder inside. You'll be able to find out our button definitions on the menu. This is the voice recording slider. There are three options there, one off, one speaker, and one record. And this is the LED indicators. This is the Type-C USB port. And this is the volume up button, and this is the volume down button. This is the speaker. To start voice recording, you can press the slider to the record REC position, and you will see the LEDs flashing. Okay, now it is in recording mode. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. To stop it, push it to the off position. How to play back recordings or music? First, we push the slider to the SPK position.
How do I know if the recorder is still working?
Okay, now it enters the playback mode. We can hold the minus button to decrease the volume. Remember, it is hold this button. We can also hold the plus button to increase the volume, as you see. If we want to pause the playback, press the plus button 2 times. Okay, now it stopped. If you want to continue, press the plus button twice again. Okay, pause. Okay. If we want to switch to the music mode, we can press the minus button 2 times during the playback or playback. First, let us activate the playback first. Press the minus button twice. Okay, it's MP3 mode now, music mode now. It's the same operation. You can decrease the volume, increase the volume, pause, continue. If you want to switch back to the audio playback, press the minus button twice. Okay.
How do I know the recorder is
To exit the playback mode,
REC position?
push the slider to off position. How to check the remaining battery of the recorder? When you push the slider to the REC position, the recorder will flash LED light in blue. You can count the flashing times to know that the remaining battery information. For example, it flashed 4 times just now. It means that it still has 100% remaining battery. If it flashed only 1 time, it has only 25% of the remaining battery. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If it flashed 3 times, it means it only has 75% of the remaining battery. How do I know if the recorder is still working? If the slider is in REC position and want to confirm that it is in recording mode, we can press the minus button or the plus button. For example, we press the minus button and we see the LED flash in red 1 time. And then we note the recorder is still in recording mode. How to play back the recordings with headphones? Take out the headphone and connect the Type-C port to the recorder, and then push the slider to the SPK position. The recorder will start to play back the audios in the headphone so that you can listen back to the audios in privacy. We can delete the audio files on the recorder itself. First, let's go to the playback mode. Push the button to the SPK position.
How do I know if
And then we pause it Press the add button twice to pause it. Okay, now it's paused. You can see the red LED light is on. It means that it is now in the pause mode. We need to hold the plus button and the minus button at the same time for about 3 seconds. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You see, you can see that the red LED light flashed one time and the last audio file was deleted. We can do it again. Okay. Hold. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Last audio file was deleted. Our voice recorder supports the OTG function, so you can copy the files to your mobile phone in real time. We have a Type-C OTG adapter inside the package. You can put the adapter to your Type-C port of your mobile phone. If your mobile phone supports OTG function, and then connect the USB cable to our audio recorder. Make sure the slider is in the off position. Connect the USB port to a mobile phone. You will be able to see the USB storage added and click on it. Find out the audio files on the record folder. You can playback it, or you can share it to others.
So how do I know
How to configure the voice recorder? Connect the voice recorder to a computer with a Type-C USB cable. The recorder will turn into USB drive on your computer. We can configure this audio recorder with the IEC set TSD file. There are 4 options here. You can take reference of our menu. We can synchronize time with computer on here, and also we can set the bit range and set the audio gain and the recording segment here. Also the voice operated recording.